I've said recently that the flat earth is declining, but I didn't say that there's still one flat earther that impresses me, and this is his channel, Heath Carmody, and he impresses me greatly. He makes observations, he does math and builds simulations. He's probably the only sound of reason in the flat earth, and maybe that's why he got less than 500 subs. He see bullshit and he point the finger. And this video playing here is a part of his challenge that is probably aimed towards perspective and understanding how it works due to the recent events. So go watch the video, comment your answer, like and share, and give him a shout out whenever you can. He deserves it, and he deserves anyone's support, not just Globers, not just Flat Earthers. See you on the next one.